Hi class, I am so excited that we are now going to be showing you how to use a tool in Google Docs to cite your sources. So everything I do today, you're going to be doing today. So far we have searched Google for sources. We have brainstormed ideas and chosen topic. And so now I'm going to show you how to create a works cited page with the sources that we found on meteorologists. So everything I do in this video, you're going to do it exactly how I do it, and then you're going to submit it for me. Okay? And then you will follow the same pattern for creating a works cited page for your paper. All right, so that's why we're doing this example, so you know how to do a works cited page for your paper. Okay, so let's get started. First thing you need is to open up your meteorologist document and then also a blank Google document. So go ahead and pause the video and pull those two things up. Okay, now that you have them pulled up, go ahead and name your blank document Meteorologist Sources. Go to Tools and click Citation. You remember in class I told you that we have several different types of ways to cite our sources. Well, today we're using MLA, and we are citing a website. And here I'm going to insert the URL, and that's why I have this document open, so I can just copy and paste. We do that by Control-C and search, and we'll notice that it says that it's missing the published year and those who added to the document. So we're going to take this website and copy and paste it into our URL, okay? And let's try to see if we can find any publishing information or an author. So right here at the beginning, I don't see an author, and then here at the bottom, I don't see a date that it was published. So that means that we can go ahead and press continue, and it pulls up the available information from the website, and we just press add source. Okay, so look at that, our first source is completed. Let's go back to our original document here and use our second source, Control-C. We're going to put add citation source, website, insert our URL, search, and notice again it's missing that information. Let's see if we can find it by typing that website in. Okay, I'm not seeing an author or a date that this was published. Okay, so for now we'll just use what we have and press continue and add citation. All right, and it added it there on the side. Our third source, copy paste, add citation source. It's the website, insert URL, search. It's telling me that I'm missing the published date and those who authored it. So, and yep, I'm not finding any of that. Okay, so let's go ahead and press continue. and add citation. Okay, look, there's our third one and our fourth one. Okay, add citation, website, URL, and search. Okay, it's telling me that it's missing the published date and the contributors. So let's just check the website, see if we can find any of that information. And I don't see an author. And I don't see a date of when this was published. Okay, so we press continue and add source to citations. Okay, so what I want to point out here is that you can see that these are put into alphabetical order, okay? And so now that this is made, I'm going to press this button that says Insert Works Cited. All right. Woo, look at that. Pretty awesome. And that is how you create a works cited page in Google Docs. You know, I'm going to sound really old, but when I was going to school and in high school, I had to do this all by hand. And I did have the internet, but they didn't have options like this. So the fact that this is available is awesome, okay? So your works cited page goes on a separate page by itself, all right? And then the cool thing is, now you can begin writing your paper, okay? So, for example, you are just going to copy and paste everything that I do today. Make sure this is how you're going to put your name, date. Technically, MLA hand, you have to, let me look real quick. I think you have to put my name, your class, and then the period. So let me look at that real quick. So the website that I like to go to is Purdue University. It's really good for finding out information. And so right here, I found, where is it at again? MLA style is we need my name, or sorry, the student, your first and last name, and then my name, Mrs. Dorman. And then this is 8th grade language arts. And then the date today, you're gonna do the month. Sorry, first you do day, month, and then year. Okay, all right, so we have that down. Now, after you have your heading, this is called your heading done, you are going to title this And no, I'm not expecting you to write a paper, but I do want you to demonstrate to me that you know how to use quotes, okay? So the quotes that we took from the meteorologist document, you're going to insert them, okay? And if we look carefully, okay, so I got this from the society document, which was, if I can find that. Okay, that was this one. All right. So since I want to do in-text citations, I'm going to press this button, and look, it inserted it directly for me. and then I will put a period at the end, and that's what the in-text citation looks like for that one, okay? So for this next one, I am not going to do a direct quote. I am going to do what we learned called paraphrase, okay? Or I'm going to put it in my own words, okay? Okay, so now that I know that, I summarized what a meteorologist makes, I am going to find that. It's from the Federal Agency, this one, okay? So I am going to put cite, and it directly inserts that in-text citation after it. All right. So remember, I didn't put this in quotes because I rephrased it in my own words, but still it's not my idea, so I have to show proof that I got it somewhere. All right. The next one, again, I'm probably going to use my own words for this one. Okay, so here I summarized in my own words, or paraphrased, what that article, or sorry, what this article talked about, and I'm going to find that over here. Meteorologist pay learn.org. Okay, this is the correct one. I'm going to press insert, and there it is, and I put a period at the end, and let's do this last one. Oh, I am going to directly quote this one. So I'm going to insert it, and remember that we have to put the quotes at the beginning and end. I delete the period because my period will be at the end of my in-text citation. And then the last one was weather.gov. Oh, here it is. Okay, and then I'm going to cite that, and there we go. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, you have very quickly created a works cited page. So carefully look through it, make sure it's all the way up to the top, and then you have these 4 bits of information, and you're ready to submit it to me, okay? Yeah, so you will follow the same pattern as you write your sources, as you put them in your own document for your own paper. Okay, so I'm so excited for all the progress that we're making. Let me know if you have any questions. Bye.